Okay, let's start this video. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Idile and I make lifestyle, fashion, and the occasional food video. So today's video is going to be my curly hair routine, you guys. I actually wasn't gonna film a curly hair routine. I wasn't planning on filming one. Honestly, I thought my routine was not the best and I felt like my hair didn't look the way that I wanted it to look. And ever since I dyed my hair, I switched to doing the lock method, which I wasn't doing before, which is essentially doing your liquid, oil, and then adding a cream on top of that in that specific order. And I find, oh my god, you guys, it's literally made the biggest difference in my curls. My curls feel so moisturized. They look super defined in my opinion, and they just feel like really light. They don't feel crunchy like they used to before. So I just thought I'd kind of share this with you guys just in case you guys were like me and you're misinformed and you're using your products in the wrong order. The order in which you use your products can make a huge difference. It's a hit or a miss, to be honest. So we're just gonna get into wash day and the products that I use when I wash my hair. I use 4 main products. So the main one is something that I've had to introduce since bleaching my hair, and it's the Joico Bouh shampoo. I use that probably, I don't wash my hair too often, especially when it's curly. I can leave it for like 4 or 5 days without washing it. So I will probably use my Bouh shampoo every other wash day. Then when I'm using my Bouh shampoo, I'll go in with the Aussie Miracle Moisture 3-minute deep conditioner, because I find the Bouh shampoo dries the hell out of my hair and my hair just feels like a rat's nest in the shower. So I'll use a deep conditioner afterwards. I'll leave it on for 3 minutes and just to make sure that my hair gets the moisture back into it, because I would not be able to deal with dry hair. Like, dry hair is one of my pet peeves. The days that I'm not using the Joico Bouh shampoo, I will just use the Aussie Miracle Moisture shampoo and conditioner. I think there's like mixed reviews about Aussie. Personally, it's worked amazing for me. And then when I'm out of the shower and I'm drying my hair, I will use a microfiber towel to dry my hair. I don't use regular towels anymore. A lot of curly hair people probably know that, but it's really bad for your curly hair and it just tugs at your hair. So it's just so much more gentle to use a microfiber towel. Now going into the main portion, which is the actual products that I use in my hair to get these curls. So like I told you guys at the beginning, I use the lock method now, which is the liquid oil cream method. So for my liquid, I'll just use water. I find that works the best for me. I find curly hair dries super fast, so I'll have to go in and just re-wet it with some water, and then I'll go in with my almond oil. I used to use, and I have an old curly hair routine on one of my older channels if you guys want to check that out, but I was super misinformed. I think I filmed that like 4 years ago maybe, and I used to use coconut oil on my hair. And if you know a little bit about coconut oil, it's not good for your hair. Like, it's really not good for your hair. It's super drying, and yeah, so I switched over to almond oil. I find that just works so much better for me, and it's just better for my hair. And also, since switching to this method, I use a lot less product, which means I have a lot less product buildup like on my scalp. My actual like cream products that I leave in my hair, I will use the infamous Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls. And I thought I actually didn't like this product because before, like I said, I'm gonna mention this 1,000 times, but before I switched to this method of using like liquid oil cream, I would use, like right out of the shower, I would use the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, and I'd go in with some water, a bit of water, and then I would go in with my oil. I found my curls were super crunchy and not voluminous at all. Like, they just were falling flat. So I stopped using it for a bit, but then once I switched over to the different method that I use, I started incorporating it again, and I find now I finally understand why it's called Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls, because my curls are literally so freaking soft. Like, it feels amazing and it has so much definition to it. And this is just day 1, but it gets more volume obviously as the days go by. So that's the main product that I use. And then I'll also go in with the Kinky Curly Not Today. I've used that product for like 4 or 5 years, and it just without fail, like, it works so well. It smells amazing, and it's just like such a good product. I could rave about it for hours. So that is what I go in with afterwards. I'm probably gonna do split screen, so you're gonna see me applying that now. I do use a generous amount for all of my products. Another product that I didn't get to use today, but I usually use very often, is the Shea Moisture Curling Smoothie. I'm just all out right now, so I do have to purchase another bottle of that. So I'm gonna show you guys the empty bottle if you guys want to know, if you guys care to see that. Okay, you guys, so I realized that I totally forgot to film this, and it's a dumb portion, but I'm showing you this paddle brush that I use to brush out my hair and to just spread the product out evenly. And this is a brush that I got on Amazon. I find it overall so much better than my Denman brush, so I would totally recommend this. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. But yeah, this is me just
just really brushing out all my hair.
So next we're gonna go into maintaining the hair. Maintaining the hair, how to keep these curls looking good throughout the whole week that you have your hair curly, or how many days you keep your hair curly until your next wash day. My biggest things are what you use to sleep in. Those are like the biggest things because it will have a huge impact on how your hair turns out, obviously. The biggest thing is obviously just switching your pillowcase. If you know, silk pillowcases or satin pillowcases are the way to go for curly hair. It keeps your hair moisturized, so you're not gonna wake up with dry hair, and it just makes your curls last longer. So why would you not want to invest in one? Do it. If you haven't done it yet and you're waiting for a sign, this is your sign. Buy that silk or satin pillowcase, girl. You're literally doing yourself a disservice by not having one. And if you don't want to buy a pillowcase, obviously I totally get that. I have a bunch of bonnets that I bought off of Amazon that I use to sleep in some nights too. And if I'm not wearing a bonnet, I will just do the pineapple bun, which is just putting all your hair up and then just tying it once in a little bun. I find that's the best for not messing with my curl pattern. And in the mornings, I will go in with just like a spray bottle with some water and a bit of product. I will just spritz my hair and revive the curls that way. If you guys want to see a whole separate video on how to refresh my curls, just let me know and I'll be glad to do that. But yeah, I just literally use water and a bit of product, and then I'll obviously go in with some oil if I need it, but usually I don't need any more oil in my hair. So I think that concludes the video, you guys. I think that's it. Oh no, I let my hair dry. And okay, so I don't use a diffuser also. I don't use a diffuser anymore. I used to use one, but I find it just takes so long to dry your hair and I don't get the results that I want. So I just let my hair air dry. I find it so much easier for me. And now that I use a lot less product, my hair dries so much faster. And yeah, but I do have a diffuser, and like, I don't know. I'm just not a fan of the way my curls look when I diffuse them. I feel like it's so much effort and work for not like a good result. That concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. If you guys have any product recommendations for curly hair or for like 3B, I don't even know. What would you guys say my curl pattern is? Because I think I'm a 3C, 4A, but I could also be 3B. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you made it this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. And also turn on your post notifications just to see when I upload, because I haven't been uploading exactly on schedule lately. I'm just trying to figure out a better schedule and what works for me. And also, guys, we're in the middle of a pandemic. Like, it is hard for me to get motivated sometimes to film a video, and it sucks, but it's the reality. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.